In this tutorial, we will show you how to transpose in Excel. This is the quickest way to reverse the order of your data in Excel and transform columns into rows and rows into columns. In this worksheet, we have two examples. One is a normal data range, and the second will be transformed into a table. Then we will transpose both of them. The first step is to convert the second dataset of sales and refunds into a table. Press anywhere inside the data and press Ctrl-T. Check my table has headers and press OK. We are now ready to transpose. Let's go to the first example that has the data range of the bike models and pricing. Each bike has a high, low price, and shipping costs. We are going to transpose by first clicking on the cell where we want the results or the new layout to appear. In this cell, I will write equal, transpose, open parentheses, then highlight all of the cells inside the data and close parentheses. Now press Enter. You should see the new data as columns, now converted into rows. I will now delete this example to make a room for the next one coming up. When you work with a table, it's also similar. I am selecting this cell to transpose my days and numbers. Click Equals, Transpose, open parentheses, and select the table. Close parentheses, and then press Enter. Notice that the only difference is the table name that appeared inside the parentheses, and this is how you can transpose in Excel. Again, we close parentheses, press Enter, and there you have it. Don't forget to visit our website for a free Excel shortcut list, and we can also train individuals and groups with a customized Excel learning plan. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful, and please subscribe to support our weekly videos. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what features would you like to know in Excel. Thank you.